treasures with a holiday grin. Gather your beads and your jewelry making tools. Create with your heart, there are no rules. Tiny little beaded ornaments for a small white tree. Handmade by you, as sweet as can be. Upcycled vintage beads with a brand new story, shining with love in all their glory. Get ahead of the season, one bead at a time. A little bit of sparkle, a little bit of shine. Every tiny ornament is one of a kind, made with creativity and a joyful mind. Christmas in July, let your imagination play. Turn yesterday's treasures into holiday display. Tiny little ornaments, bright for all to see. Handmade with love for a little white tree. Watch the 12 days of tutorials, made by Vickie. Make unique upcycled jewelry ornaments. Hang them on your tree, shiny and bright, catching every light. Handmade from beads so creatively. Get started today, there's no better way to fill your home with holiday cheer. Handmade by you makes them special and true, treasured year after year. Follow the 5 videos made by Vickie just for you. Step by step, you'll see what you can do. Christmas in July, never too early to start. Make Christmas tree earrings to decorate your Christmas cards. Angel purse charms too, snowman earrings are a must. Christmas earrings for gifts and for you. Make a Christmas bead weaving bracelet, there's so many things you can do. Create a little holiday magic, watch Vickie's videos made for you. Gather beads both old and new, sparkling treasures waiting for you. Handmade ornaments merry and bright. Gather your beads and your jewelry making tools. Turn up the air and stay cool. Use the summer heat as an excuse to stay inside.